Alright, let's see if Amazon sent us used parts again. Well, not necessarily Amazon, but whoever the seller is. So I've ordered this a couple times. This looks different than the other one. The other one came in a green bag. Okay. It definitely didn't look like this. It's a major problem lately with Amazon because the sellers, they don't want to, eat all the returns, and they get a lot of returns. But so the other one that I got was missing. It was missing the gear, and also the gear was installed on here. And it was missing all these pieces. So it didn't have the PTFE tube couplers. So let's see here. And the spring was obviously used. This is nice quality. I just installed one the other night, and it had a hole cut in it, bottom of here. So it wasn't exactly the same. The biggest problem with these things is that they're so big that you can't use them on all the direct drive brackets because they cause the tube to sit up higher. Some blemishes on this. None of these are the design that they show. They show like a threaded fitting on this side. Okay, so the important thing is I need the parts. Okay, they're both in here. Yeah, the other one didn't come in anything that looked like this. So let's make sure we got everything. We've got our spring. We've got our two gears. We've got the bearing insides. We've got the spring tensioner. The long bolt for the arm. And the bolt for the tensioner. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one's going to be for that arm. Okay, so everything looks like it's there. And then get this thing here. I've got one of these. They actually work really well. Some hot end boots. Oh yeah, so the other one, this wasn't even zip tied. Wow. It was missing this in the other one. There's actually supposed to be another piece. There's supposed to be another one. I don't see it in here. At this point, I don't really care. I mean, I could just make them send me another one. You get two nozzles. I don't know what this is made out of, but it's probably less likely to have the crap stick to it. So definitely the other kit was definitely used. Yeah. I don't know why they can't give me all the parts. Oh, it's in here. It's in this bag. Okay. Yeah. So, oh, there still might be one piece missing. They had another one of these. There's only one blue clip. This is supposed to have a clip, I think. Yeah. So, anyway, this was like $9 for all this. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. You know, all in all. I mean, you can print any of this type of stuff, but you can't print the dual gears. So, anyway, I've read a lot of reviews on this particular one. People like, you know, leaving comments. Great if you want to piece together the rest of the kit, you know, and I can see why. So I think it's just this particular company in general. Their policy is to just like send everybody all their stuff that they can't sell back again until they get rid of the inventory. And a lot of people will put up with it, so you know the sellers know that. Especially for $9, a lot of people are gonna just be like, whatever, don't want to deal with it. And you got to remember, a lot of people that order stuff online, they're lazy. They don't want to go outside. They don't want to go to the store. That's why the online businesses are so successful. They're catering to people that don't want to drive to brick and mortar stores. So anyway, it looks like everything's there. So we can put that on the, I'm not sure. We can put it on the Ender 3 Pro. And I think that's the only one I can put it on. I probably could put it on the Sunlu printer. But I need to get into the CAD and redesign a bracket for a couple of these. Like if I could figure out which ones I printed and import the file and remix it, you know, I could make it accommodate for that. I know there was a couple that had both files, but when you're looking through thousands of crap on hundreds of files, you know, it's hard to remember what was what.